Welcome to qnawire.
All right, this is an ambiguous case situation where I've created model triangles for us to use here. So we have side A is 75, side B is 100, angle A is 30. Now I created another case where we could have the same information, but it would look different, and that's because this 75 degrees could have gone this way as well. So let's let's actually do the second case first. If we were going to solve the triangle, then we can use the law of sines to say the sine of 30 degrees over its opposite side 75 is equal to the sine of angle B over 100. We cross multiply 100 sine 30 divided by 75, and then we will inverse sine or arc sine, whatever you may call it, of that to find the measure of angle B. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Then we can do 100 sine 30 divide 75 and the inverse sine of that. And we get 49, I'll go to the nearest tenth, 49.9 degrees. Now I'm going to simultaneously find angle B in the other because when we are considering this situation, we have an isosceles triangle. And so it'd be 49.9 degrees here as well, which means just subtract from 180, that would be the other option for the other triangle, 130.1 degrees. Okay, so we found angle B's possibility in each case. Now we can find angle C from subtracting from 180 for the full triangle. So in the one on the left, 180 minus 30.1 is 119.9. On the triangle on the right, it'd be 180 minus 30 minus 49.9, which is 100.1. Not drawn to scale. Now we just need to find side C in both cases using the law of sines. We could say that the sine of 30 over 75 is equal to the sine of 119.9. That is not 119.9. I need to take that back. That would be 180 minus 30 minus 130.1. Important 100s, that'd be 19.9 degrees. That makes way more sense. All right, and now this would be the sine 30 over 75 equals sine 19.9 over side C. Cross multiply C sine 30, 75 sine 19.9. And then divide by sine 30 to both sides, and you have side C. So that is 75 sine 19.9 divide sine 30. And that's about 51.1 for side C. In the second case, we would do sine 30 over 75, and that would be equal to sine 100.1 over C. Cross multiply C sine 30, 75 sine 100.1, then divide both sides by sine 30. So C equals 75 sine 100.1 degrees over sine 30 degrees. And that's 147.7 to the nearest tenth. And there you have the two possible triangles solved. Hope that helps. Good luck.